Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. Today I am going to take one more problem on the consignment accounts, how to prepare the consignment accounts. So let's take a problem and prepare different consignment accounts here. So here is the problem. Anand sent goods to Satish to be sold on consignment. So here this Anand, he is the consigner and Satish is the consignee, right? The invoice price of the goods was 25,000, which was 25% above cost price. Anand was entitled to a commission of 10% on invoice price of the goods sold and 20% of any excess price realized above the invoice price. Along with this, on receiving the goods, here we have Satish, that is the consignee, who is paying 2000 rupees as freight and octroi charges and rupees 200 as godown rent. He sold 3/5 of the goods for rupees 20,000. So 3/5 of goods is 3/5 of 25,000. So 3/5 of 25,000 is how much? 15,000, right? So 15,000, 3/5 of the goods, that is 3/5 of this, he is selling for how much? Like for 20,000, that is 15,000 goods he is selling for 20,000. Part of the above sale was on credit and there was a bad debt of 100 rupees. So along with this, the other expenditure for Satish was in the form of bad debt, and that amount is how much? 100 rupees. So Anand settled his account, and what we have to do, show the necessary ledger accounts in the books of consignor. So we have to show different ledger accounts in the books of consignor, and the consignor here is Anand, right? Now first account that we are going to prepare here is in the books of consignor, that is Anand, consignment to Satish account. This we are going to prepare. Now first of all, if we see, Anand has sent goods to Satish and the total amount was how much? The total value of the goods at invoice price was 25. So we are going to write down two goods sent on consignment, right? Two goods sent on consignment, and we have to write down in bracket, it is at invoice price, fine, and the amount is how much? And the amount is 25,000 rupees, right? Then we have different expenses of which Satish has like paid. We are going to write down to Satish, right? To Satish. And what are the expenses he has paid? First of all, he has paid freight and octroi. How much is that? Freight and octroi, he is paying around 2000 rupees, which is mentioned in the problem, right? And then he is paying a godown rent. You can write down simply rent here, and rent he is paying how much? Rent he is paying, which is mentioned there in the problem, it is 200 rupees, right? And then bad debt, which is again an expenditure for Satish. A bad debt of how much? A bad debt of 100 rupees is there. So bad debt is how much? Bad debt is 100 rupees, fine. How much it is? 100 rupees. So the total here is 2,300 is the total expenditure which is met by Satish. Now the next one here is that is again the commission which is there. It is how much? We are going to write down to Satish, which is the commission here, right? Which is the commission here is 10% and 20%. 10% on the invoice price of the goods sold and 20% of any excess price realized above the invoice price which is given in the problem. So first one we are going to write down here 10%, 10% on 10% on, he is receiving 10% the invoice price. Invoice price is what here? It is mentioned in the problem. What? 3/5 of the goods were sold for rupees 20,000. So 3/5 is how much? 3/5 of 25,000 is how much? That is 15,000. So on 15,000 he is going to get how much? He is going to receive how much? He is going to receive 10% of commission, and 10% of 15,000 is how much? It is 1,500, right? And then we have other part of the commission, which is 20% of any excess price realized above the invoice price, which is how much? It is 20% of how much? 20% on 5,000 rupees. 5,000 is how much? If we see the total sale of goods is how much? 20,000, right? So 50,000 is like 10% of 15,000, we have paid a commission of 1,500, and the remaining, which is above the invoice price, that is 15,000 rupees, we are going to pay how much? I mean to say Anand is going to pay how much? 20% of 5,000. So 20% of 5,000 is how much? It is 1,000, right? So the total commission that Anand is going to pay to Satish is how much? It is 2,500, right? Let us go first for the calculation of value of stock. So we are going to do that first, calculation of value of stock. If we see in the problem, it is given that 3/5 of the goods. If we see in the problem, it is he sold 3/5 of the goods for rupees 20,000, right? Then we are going to find what is the invoice price of the remaining part, that is 2/5 of the goods. So we are going to find out that here, that is what? Invoice price of 2/5 of the goods, right? 2/5 of goods, that is how much? That is 2 by 5 into 25,000, right? So how much we are going to get? We are going to get it, we are going to get 20,000, we are going to get how much? We are going to get 10,000, right? So we are going to get 10,000 rupees here. Then we are going to add non-recurring expenses. If we look in the problem, we have non-recurring expenses of how much? We have non-recurring expenses of 2,000. So proportionate add proportion non-recurring expenses, that is 2/5 of 2,000. 2/5 of 2,000 is how much? It is 800, right? So we are going to add this 800 here, right? So 800 we are going to add. So the total amount is how much? It is 10,800. This is the value at invoice price. So this is the value at invoice price of 2/5 of the goods. Fine. Now if we see a loading of 25% on cost price is how much? It is 20%, right? 20% on invoice price, 20% on invoice price, right? Hence loading on goods sent will be how much? It will be rupees 5,000 rupees is given there in the problem, right? It will be how much? It will be 5,000 rupees, right? That is 20% of what? That is 20% of 25,000. All right, 20% of 25,000, and on what? And on stock of how much? Rupees. And on stock of how much? Rupees 2,000. That is 20% of this 2,000 is 20% of this 10,000, that is this value, that is rupees 2,000. So we are going to take the same value there. So here we are going to take the same value, that is to stock reserve is how much? To stock reserve is, it is 2,000 rupees. So we are going to take 2,000 rupees value here, right? In bracket we can write down here loading on stock, right? Now when we come here to the income side, first we are going to write down to Satish. How much he is selling? He is selling 3/5 of the goods for rupees 20,000. So to Satish, how much? You can write down here like sales proceed. He is selling it for 20,000 rupees, right? Then we have calculated this value here, value at the invoice price how much? 10,800. This is By consignment stock, how much? 10,800. So we are going to write down the same value here. How much? by by consignment by consignment stock. By consignment stock is how much? By consignment stock is 10,800, right? Then we have by goods sent on consignment is how much? By goods sent on consignment, which is loading on the goods sent, it is how much? Which is given the problem, it is how much? It is 5,000. Now if we calculate on both, if we calculate on both the sides, we are going to get how much here? We are going to get, we will add it, this is 20,000, 30,800, 30,800 plus this 35,800. So we are going to write down here 35,800. So it is 35,800 here, and here again it should be 35,000. It should be 35,800. All right. So the difference here would be the profit and loss account, which is going to be the profit transferred to the profit and loss account. So how much is that? So we are going to deduct all these amounts from 35,800. So here we are going to write down to profit and loss account, right? To profit and loss account is how much? So when we deduct all these figures from how much? From 35,800, we are going to get 4,000 rupees here, right? So this is in the books of consignment, that is Anand, consignment to Satish account, that we have prepared from the given information. In this account, that is goods sent on consignment, we are going to write down by consignment to Satish, by consignment to Satish, how much it is? It is 25,000, right? It's 25,000, right? Then here to consignment to Satish, it is how much? It is 5,000 rupees, right? So here it will be again how much? It will be 25,000. We are going to take here 25,000 this side, and 25,000 will again be here this side, 25,000, right? And the difference is how much? The difference is 20,000. So we are going to write down to trading account, right? So how much is that? That is 20,000, right? So after this we have to prepare one more account, that is consignment stock account. So consignment like stock account, we are going to write down to consignment to Satish, to consignment to Satish, which we have calculated how much is that? 10,800, right? Oh, and here we are going to write down by balance carried down is how much? It is again 10,800, right? So we are going to close it. How much we are going to write down here? We are going to write down 10,800 on both the sides, right? 10,800 here, and again we are going to write down 10,800 here again, right? 10,800, fine. So this is our consignment stock account, fine. After this we have to prepare the last account, which is consignees account, I mean to say Satish account, that we have to prepare now. So first we are going to write down to consignment to Satish, to consignment to Satish, to consignment to Satish. Here it is the sale proceed, and the sale proceed amount was how much? He was selling it for 20,000, right? And then we have here by consignment to Satish, by consignment to Satish, like these are the expenses which Satish has paid, met. How much he is paying all the expenses? It is 2,300 300. Then there is a commission of about 2500, which we have calculated at 10% and I think 20%, so that has total amounted to 2500 that we are going to take here also. So we are going to write down here by consignment. By consignment how much? Which is by consignment to Satish, how much it is? It is 2500 rupees. So we are going to mention here in bracket commission also. Fine, that is it. So here we are going to close this account. This is how much? This is 20,000 here, right? 20,000 here. So here again it has to be 20,000, right? Fine. So here we have a difference of how much? A difference of 15,200. That is by, we are going to write down here by bank. By bank, in bracket you are going to write down balance received. Balance received, how much it is? It is 15,000 and 15,200, right? I hope you have understood this problem. My dear friends, please do like, comment and share my videos with your friends and colleagues, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.